about the reading module. There are 3 reading passages of increasing difficulty, and this is found in the academic reading as well as in the general training reading. The 3 passages called part 1 or passage 1, 2 and 3 are of general interest, and the candidate has to read the passage and answer the questions. Overall, there are 40 questions both in the academic reading as well as the general training reading. The passages are of increasing difficulty, and it depends on the candidate who is approaching the test. If the person has no background to the passage, it does not matter. They should be able to understand the passage. The reading tests are taken from magazine, journals, and at least one text has a detailed logical argument. In the case of the general training reading, you might get advertisements. The type of questions, there's a variety of questions. You get multiple choice, short answer questions to be completed in not more than 3 words or 2 words. Sometimes it is specifically given as 1 word or a number. In case you write more than the specified amount, well, that will not get you points. You can write less than the amount specified. Not more than 3 can also be just 2 answers if the context is correct. Matching of headings, filling in the blanks, filling in the missing words, and commenting on the writer's attitude while providing your answers in yes, no, not given or true, false, not given. Overall, 40 questions have to be attempted. No additional time is given for the transfer of the answers. Within 60 minutes, you are expected to read, find out the answer, and write the answer in your answer sheet. Any answer that is not in the answer sheet will not get you marks. So, I would say prepare well, always practice to transfer your answers such that you can handle your time management.